Welcome back to Growth Minds. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that has transformed the lives of many successful individuals. We're talking about vision boards and how they can help you manifest your dreams and goals. Stick around as we explore what vision boards are and how to use them effectively, and we'll even share some inspiring examples from famous personalities who've used vision boards to achieve remarkable success. What is a vision board? Let's start by understanding what a vision board is. A vision board is a powerful tool that acts as a visual representation of your goals, dreams, and aspirations. It's a collage of images, words, and symbols that resonate with what you want to achieve in various areas of your life, such as career, relationships, health, and personal growth. How to manifest using vision boards. Now, let's dive into how you can use vision boards to manifest your desires. Define your goals. Clearly identify your goals and desires in different aspects of your life. Gather materials. Collect magazines, images, and other materials that represent your goals. Create your vision board. Arrange the visuals in a way that feels visually appealing and meaningful to you. Visualization and feeling. Spend time each day looking at your vision board. Imagine yourself having already achieved your goals. Feel the emotions associated with your success. Positive affirmations. Include positive affirmations that support your goals. Use present tense statements as if you've already accomplished what you desire. Consistency in action. Engage with your vision board daily. Consistency is crucial, but remember that taking action is equally essential for manifestation. Effectiveness of vision boards. Now, you might be wondering if vision boards are really helpful. Well, their effectiveness varies from person to person. Some find them incredibly beneficial in maintaining focus, boosting motivation, and aligning thoughts and actions with goals. However, their impact can depend on factors like belief, consistency, and the action you take. Creating your vision board. Ready to create your own vision board? Here's a step-by-step guide. Choose a theme. Decide whether your board will focus on specific goals or represent various aspects of your life. Gather materials. Collect magazines, images, and other materials that resonate with your theme and goals. Arrange and personalize. Arrange the materials on your board in a visually appealing way. Add personal elements like photos or notes. Display and engage. Place your vision board where you'll see it daily. Engage with it through visualization and positive affirmations. Vision board examples from famous personalities. Now, let's get inspired by some famous personalities who've used vision boards to achieve their dreams. Jim Carrey. The actor wrote himself a check for $10 million and dated it 5 years ahead. He visualized his success and ended up earning exactly that amount for a movie role. Oprah Winfrey. Oprah shared her vision board techniques and even hosted vision board parties. She used them to focus on her goals and inspire others. Ellen DeGeneres. Ellen had images of hosting opportunities on her vision board. She went on to host the Oscars and achieve incredible success. John Assaraf. Featured in The Secret, John used vision boards to manifest his dream house, which he eventually bought without even realizing it. Conclusion. And there you have it, the power of vision boards to help you manifest your dreams and the steps to create one for yourself. Remember, a vision board is a tool that can enhance your focus, motivation, and belief in your goals. Whether you're inspired by famous personalities or your own aspirations, the journey of manifestation starts with your vision board. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Growth Minds, and hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.